Hello everyone, my name is Tal and I'm co-founder of Evature, joining you from Tel Aviv. Evature makes EVA, a natural language interface for travel. But more about that later, let's focus on the THack. A couple of weeks ago when my partner volunteered me for the hackathon, I was not very happy. I mean, who in their right mind wants 2 weeks of no sleep, hacking away on the computer for no apparent reason? Then I remembered I'm that type of person. I also thought of a couple of other potential benefits. The first is that Evature is not in the business of making client-facing applications. We built a B2B service. So this is the first time I'm experiencing the EVA interface as a user and seeing it as our users are using it, which is a great experience. The second benefit is, of course, learning new things. I chose this to learn Android and Java, and mashing with some very cool travel APIs. So without further ado, let me show you my first Android application. Nothing really fancy here, this interface. Let's poke at it. Hey. Okay, but what is this? Who are you?
I'm Eva, your travel search assistant.
Okay, so it's travel search. Let's try a few simple things. 3-star hotel tonight.
Three Stars Hotel arriving June 27th, 2012 at 6 p.m.
Cool. So this is the Expedia API, and it's obviously the application is using GPS to pinpoint my location, show me content around here. Okay, let's try something more complex. My wife and I are going on a honeymoon and need a glamorous hotel at the heart of San Francisco.
At least 5 stars, romantic hotel in the center of San Francisco, California, for 2 adults.
Very cool. Okay, let's try simple flights. Airplane ticket from London to Cancun on Thursday.
Flights from London, United Kingdom to Cancun, Mexico, departing June 28, 2012.
Okay, this is the Viant API. It's very fast. Not very pretty, but that's of course my fault. Let's continue for maybe greener forms of travel. Single direction ticket from London to the city of Paris next Wednesday early in the morning by train.
One-way trains from London, United Kingdom to Paris, France, departing July 4th, 2012 at 5 a.m.
Very cool. So this is the Travelport API, and I'm seeing here early morning trains, very expensive. I guess all the cheap tickets are already gone. Let me try something new here. I'm going to try configuring my app. There we go. I've asked a friend to help. So we have here
Romántico hotel en Las Vegas, con piscina cubierta y casino.
Hotel en Las Vegas, Nevada.
Cool. Let's try this again.
Romántico hotel en Las Vegas, con piscina cubierta y casino.
Romántico hotel con un casino en Las Vegas, Nevada, para 2 adultos.
Dos adultos. Okay. So this is the Expedia API again. let me change back to English. So I've seen a lot of cool demos, but what do they all mean? Eva, what is the meaning of life?
Winning the 2012 London THack, of course.
Of course. Okay, so the APIs I've used in this hackathon are Eva, of course, Viant, Expedia, and Travelport. The Eva API was easiest to use, obviously I'm being 100% objective here. It's a REST API with the JSON response, and you can take the URL, put it in the browser of your choice, and see the results. It's very easy for programmers to hook up with. Viant was also very easy to use, very fast, and works very well. They hooked us up to a demo system, so not all airport combinations are valid, and just some of them show results in this demo. Next came Travelport. Travelport Universal API is really scary. It's huge. It's a SOAP API with a very complex WSDL file that managed to crash my laptop when I first tried to load it. No Java demo application, no Python demo application. When I asked people at Stack Overflow how to integrate Android with SOAP API, they said, don't. So I thought of routing the requests via a web server, but that wouldn't have been ready on time. So I had no choice, had to make it work. With the help, lots of help from the chat room, which by the way was really great. And Travelport, Paul from Travelport, George from New Zealand, other hackers I got to work, so it's not so scary anymore. Really cool. Last but not least, Expedia, a very complex API, but well, you know, then their service offering is very complex, so it was up and running very fast. The trick was to understand, comprehend the wealth of information that they returned. So what's next for this application? First, I would like to share with you our vision. We really believe in natural language interfaces, and speech recognition is the future of natural language. I'm talking to you right now, you're listening to me right now, it's our natural interface, and you understand what I'm saying. So why can't we interact with our tech assistant friends the same way we do with each other? Siri really paved the way for speech recognition into the hearts of the general public. Speech recognition has come a long way in the past few years. It really works. So we are going to be seeing speech interfaces on all major travel mobile applications in the next few years. And it's going to be powered by Eva, of course. And the application itself, I have open sourced the application that I've just demonstrated. It's available on GitHub, the sources are there. Feel free to hack at it, fork it, explore the code, use it in your applications, and have fun. The details are at our blog at blog.evature.com. Thank you for the opportunity to participate in the hackathon. It's been great fun. Bye. Thanks for watching.